In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate Tradovate and TradingView for an enhanced trading experience. We'll walk through each step needed to set up this integration, allowing you to trade directly from your TradingView charts using your Tradovate account. Let's start by logging into Tradovate. Open up your web browser and head over to tradovate.com. Once there, enter your login credentials to access your account. It's important to make sure you have all your details handy to ensure a smooth login process. Once you're successfully logged in, the next step is to navigate to the application settings. In the top right corner of your Tradovate interface, you'll see an icon labeled Application Settings. Give that a click. This is where you can customize various aspects of your Tradovate experience. Now let's head over to the Add-ons tab. You'll find this tab located at the top of the Application Settings screen. It's designed to help you expand your trading capabilities by integrating additional tools and features. Within the Add-ons tab, scroll down until you come across the TradingView add-on. This is a key piece of our setup. Clicking the Buy button next to this add-on enables you to subscribe to it for a fee of $9.99 per month. It's a worthwhile investment if you're looking to leverage the powerful charting tools that TradingView offers. With that in place, our next step is to connect to TradingView. Open a new browser tab or window and navigate to TradingView.com. Enter your login information to access your TradingView account. If you don't have one, it's a simple process to sign up, and I'd highly recommend it for the advanced charting capabilities. Once you're logged in on TradingView, open any chart, as the integration works universally across all charts on the platform. Look toward the bottom of the chart until you find the trading panel. This panel is crucial as it enables you to connect to your broker. In the trading panel, you'll see a list of supported brokers. You'll want to select Tradovate from this list to establish the link. When selecting Tradovate, you'll be prompted to enter your Tradovate username and password. This part is essential for linking your account securely, so ensure you're using your correct credentials. With the accounts now linked, we move on to enabling direct trading from within TradingView. This is where all the setup pays off. You'll be able to place buy or sell orders straight from your TradingView chart. Simply select your Tradovate account and use the buy or sell buttons provided in the trading panel. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully integrated Tradovate with TradingView, allowing you to trade directly from the rich graphical interface that TradingView provides while utilizing the robust trading capabilities of Tradovate. Happy trading, and may your charts be ever in your favor.